What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create ambient piano sound. So a lot of people think if you add on the reverb you're going to get that atmospheric sound, but actually it goes deeper than that. So in this video I'm going to cover that. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, you need to have a piano VST. So right now I'm using Contact's Grandeur, the Native Instruments Grandeur. And here I actually have created a couple of my go-to preset here. So this is the preset that I use all the time. Okay, so there is a technique for you to create such piano sound. Okay, so there's a few things that you need to be considering when you want to create such an atmospheric ambient piano sound. Okay, first of all is the transient. Okay, so in this particular Contact library there is a way for me to have three types of sound, which is one with the open lid, halfway closed, and then closed lid. So if I play the chord with the open lid, this is how it's gonna sound. Okay, it still sounds smooth and ambient, but let's try halfway closed one. Okay, sounds good, right? But let me close the lid completely. Okay, it sounds much softer, and I like the way it sounds like that. Okay, the other thing that you can do is to increase the tone here, the color. So this is how it's going to sound when we add a little bit of hard tone to it. Okay, it sounds good, but not the kind of sound that I was looking for. Let's bring it down to the soft tone. Beautiful. Now that sounds much better, much softer and very atmospheric. Okay, the other thing is you can obviously play with dynamic range. If you turn this to the right and play with lower velocity, it's going to sound like this. If you play with higher velocity, it's going to sound like this. Okay, so it's not going to be too straight into your face, which is what I like. But if you bring it down to the left, now it's going to sound completely different. See, I'm playing it softly. Let me put it in the middle. I don't want it to have too much of dynamic range. Okay, let's play with resonance now. Okay, perfect, beautiful. Okay, the last thing you should do is this space. Okay, this is the reverb basically. I have the reverb up to 3 o'clock here. Alright, perfect. And then the size, I have it almost at 2 o'clock. But the distance, if you notice, this distance is not that far. It's just at 10 o'clock here. And if I bring this up to 12 o'clock, let's see how it sounds. Perfect. Now you can also choose the presets here. I'm using Cathedral, but you can choose any other reverbs presets that you want. And that's it. This is how you create that soft, atmospheric piano sound. Okay. If you're using Cubase, you can actually just go to the chord pads and choose the chords that you want. Okay, let me just add some chords here. So I have -7, and let's have a G major, G dominant 7. Okay, so the trick is you have to play it softly. Okay, so I'm gonna play softly. Beautiful. Okay, if let's say you don't use contact library, the grandeur that I just showed you guys, there's another things that you can do. One is to add a transient designer. Okay, so in Cubase you can go to the channel strip and you can go to tools, enable it. Now we have this envelope shaper. You can just reduce the attack so it will not sound as punchy. Okay, okay. And if you notice, I've added another reverb on top of the reverb within the contact library. So if you, let me go to the effect here. Okay, here I have 100% watt, size is about 6 milliseconds. I think I was using the basic default settings here. I don't think I changed anything. Yeah. Now all you have to do is play the song in a lower velocity. Okay, I'm gonna record something right now. Okay, let me drag this up here. Okay. I'm gonna select all and lower it down, and select them all. Go to rough quantize and press Q to quantize. Okay, let's hear them now. Beautiful. So that's how you get that beautiful ambient sound. Okay, there's another third-party transient designer that I really like, which is this shaper, transient shaper. So this is from Softtube, and I really like this for a couple of reasons. One is I can set whether I want the punch to be in the lower or high frequency. So if I want the low frequency to have less punch, I can come here and adjust them like so. Or I can increase them, and let me change it to high. So whenever I press the note, the high frequency is going to have like sharp attack. Okay, let's try that. So basically you can play with all of that to create that atmospheric ambient sound. Okay guys, so that's it for today. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.